Squarespace Portfolio Tutorial: How to build a portfolio website with Squarespace. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm giving you a tutorial on Squarespace Portfolio website, how to get started for free and create your own professional, high quality portfolio website. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is you're going to go to squarespace.com and you will land on this platform right here. Squarespace is a website builder that allows you to create your online store. You can create your blog, local business website, portfolio website, services, and more. Squarespace is actually famous for its portfolio website because it allows you to add different videos, photos. It has a very easy to use editor and gives you the best results. How to get started? Well, once you get on the platform, you can sign in with your Google account or you can use your email address. After that, you will click on Get Started or Login. Now we can get started with a website. You can see we have this will help you find the best idea. So here we're gonna select our portfolio. Then we can add some of the more details to get the best results. Here we have our template gallery on Squarespace. Squarespace has a lot of different templates available for us that we can customize. So here we will actually select portfolio, and then in portfolio we have different types of portfolio. I will be going for a photography. So now it will give me the results. Here we have the best templates for portfolio, which is photography portfolio. You can select any type of, category from here. So you can see this one right here. We can get a preview for any of the templates and then get started. So what I will do is, I think I'm going to go with this template right here because this is the kind of website I was looking for. So we'll just start with the template. Now it will take us to Squarespace editor. This is where we will enter our site title. So for now, I'm just gonna call it like a test portfolio. But of course, you will enter the name for your website. Click on continue. Then we have some of the edit options to create pages and edit, but we'll just get to the editor and click on get started. So you can see this is our template that we have selected. First, you can check the template. This is a pretty simple looking template, yet it has kind of like the aesthetic what I was looking for. Here we have pages, design, commerce, marketing, scheduling, asset library, analytics, profiles, settings, and help. So now asset library is something new that Squarespace has added, and this helps us with the different photos and videos we want to add. And we can also upload our photos and videos here. So what I will do is I will just click on the edit option at the top and show you how to edit a template here. So here we have the name. First, we can edit the site header. In site header, we have site title and logo. So we can maybe customize the site title here like this. Then we can add a logo here. Any logo that we have elements, style, and fixed positions. Now I'm going to scroll down and here we have our categories that have been created here, and it's a very cool effect we're seeing here. We can click on edit section and it will allow me to edit the background first. So we can add an image in the background, we can add a video or an art. Then you can see we have the layouts. This is how you customize a section. So this is like a section that we have on our website that has two images in it. We can change the colors, we can change the height, the columns, the ratios, everything. Now, if I want to customize the image, I will just select this image right here and it will allow me to change it. So you select the image, click on edit and upload the image that you want to add. So if I take you to the pages now, first we can customize the pages. For a portfolio website, there's not much pages we need. There is not a product page or something like that. There should be a introduction page for you, a home page, and then you can create a contact page. Contact page is important because that's the purpose of the portfolio. We want people to contact us for the service we are providing. So we have a contact page here. This is the contact demo, and we can customize this page as well. So in contact, I do not have anything right here because this is like the template, but we can customize it completely. Again, we'll click on edit and add the sections. So this is the pages here. If you want to create a new page, so you just click on the plus button at the top, create a blank page, add a page layout, add a scheduling page. Then we have blog, store, portfolio, and more. So we can select a portfolio page here and add a page something like this where we can represent our work. So this is the kind of page we already have. But if you have a photography website where you need to actually show more images, you want to show more of your work, then you can add another page for these services, and you can call it services or work or experience. Maybe add something about your previous experience here and showcase your images. So I'm gonna add this page and it will be added right here. So now we will have 3 pages on our website. So we can now move on to the designing and customization part, of course. So in Edit, we can also add different, blocks to a website. We can add an image, we can add videos, we can add different types of sections. So how to do that? We'll actually go to the edit option again, and it will allow me to edit this contact page. So you can see when we hover over our page, we have this add section. Click on add section here, and we have intro, contact, about, people, products, services, portfolios, testimonies, images, videos. So let's say because this is the contact page, so I will click on the contact here, and now we have different types of contact sections. So I will select this one. So I'm going to add it to my page, and you'll see it will customize the page that we have. You can see now this is what it looks like. I can now, of course, customize the text. It's way too big. So what I will do is I will just, customize a little bit, and we can make it smaller like this. And then I'll just place it here in the middle. Okay, this is what it looks like. We have an image added here. Click on the image, and then you click on edit and upload your image. So this is our contact page now. It looks a little different. So here we have this text, which I do not want. So I will delete it. And then we have this blank section here. So in this section, we can click again on add section, or this time I can click on add a blog. So within a section, we can add different blogs. So in blog, what I will do is I will add a button. So we can also add a button like this, and I'll place it here at the top actually. Like this, we have a submit button. So once you add the button, you select it, click on edit, and this is where you will add the length. So in our content, it says submit. Submit is okay, or I can say contact us now. So this is the button right here. Similarly, in this block, what I will do is we will add a text, and in text, we can write anything. And I'll place it like this. Then we can add another block. Click on add block like this. This time, I will add a video. So we're going to go to the video section, and it will allow me to add a video. We can adjust it and place it. This is going to be like a big banner video. Working with Squarespace is actually really easy, and it allows you to move your blocks freely. That's actually the best thing about Squarespace. Now you can see we have this big video here where I will click on edit, and it will allow me to add a video. So this is how you add a blog to a page. So once you add a section, click on add blog. We have other blogs as well, such as forms, newsletters, lines, map, embed, code, calendar, social links. Then we have shapes, we have events, then we have products, all of these different integrations that we can add. So we can even add lines to separate. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click on line, and it will be added here, and I'll place it at the bottom. And we can, of course, adjust the line like this. You can see this is what it looks like now. The page actually is looking better. Click on done, and this is how I will create the contact page. And with the home page, again, it's a portfolio website. So you will have a home page where you will have a lot of different images. You can add different blocks of images and videos to your portfolio website, and then you can customize it. So this is how you one by one customize all the pages. Of course, there's a lot to it. It will take you some time, but I wanted to show you how to customize a page. And now you can customize all of these pages like this, add buttons, designs, videos, anything you want to. Once your website is done, you can connect your domain. Then you can also get the marketing and scheduling options here. We have commerce, analytics, portfolio, and settings. Click on publish, and your website will be published with Squarespace, and you will have your own high quality professional portfolio website using Squarespace for free. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.